If you're new to Ria and want to send more money internationally, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do it with confidence. First, open the Ria app or website and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you will need to register by entering your phone number, verifying it, and adding your personal details like name, address, and ID information. Once you're in, tap send money, choose the country you want to send money to, and enter the amount. Ria will automatically calculate the fees and exchange rate, so you will see exactly what your recipient will get and what you will pay before you continue. Next, select the delivery method. We can send money for cash pickup, deposit it directly into a bank account, or even send it to a mobile wallet if that option is available in the recipient's country. Now, choose your payment method, bank account, debit, or credit card. Bank transfers cost less but take longer, while card payments are faster but might include extra fees. Finally, review all the details carefully, confirm the payment, and you are done. You will receive a reference code and tracking number to share with their recipient who can use it to collect the funds or check on the transfer status.